many people are going into law school with aspirations to become lawyers. It looks like, you know, the authorities, and when you listen to some of the, you know, the past Chief Justice, the current Chief Justice, there's sometimes in talk about limiting numbers.
Exactly. It's like there's a fight between quantity and quality.
Well, you can have a large quantity all with quality. You can. It depends on how you manage it. I don't think that it should be a fight between quantity and quality. I think that what has been happening with trying to limit numbers sometimes leads to arbitrary cutoff points that don't necessarily reflect a lack of quality.
Right.
I would like to see a situation, frankly, in which there isn't so much of a preoccupation with law and entry into the legal profession for the sake of going to court. Because, you know, many people use law and their knowledge of law. I don't go to court that often, frankly. Many people use it for other things. I mean, the context actually in which I use my law very effectively in this country was in the context of oil and gas. My work in GMPC was helped by my legal background, my understanding of the issues in terms of relationships with companies and so on. But was absolutely helped by being a lawyer. And I know there are many other lawyers involved in corporate life and so on who are, you know, making a great contribution in that context. So perhaps we need to start broadening the outlook of what the end product is about. So that it's not just about people going to court, so people are thinking there are too many people in legal practice, you know, there's not that much and so on. Because if we have a broader outlook, and again, relating it to what I said earlier about other professions, you see, law shouldn't be the only thing that young people aspire to venture into. So we need to have a broader national conversation about how we draw people into all these areas of professional life, law, medicine, you know, engineering, whatever, you know, architect, you know, there are lots of things that young people should have an aspiration to, which can contribute immensely to the development of the country. And so I think that is a conversation that needs to be had.